This is Joe here. Welcome to another episode of Plastic Recycling here in Kaswa. The goal of this project is to explain some of the challenges that we are facing and some of the good stuff that we are facing. Today we had Nick who ordered the machines from China for me. This is Nick. He's the one that ordered the machines for me. Yes. Do you have any issues with the machine? So he's here to do an inspection, see how the machine is going, see how it is being utilized, and if we have any complaints, any issues, both good and bad. So he's here to look at what is going on. So I'm about to go to the market and buy some stuff for the compressor, because for a week now we've not been able to work. So the oil separator, we need to get another one. I'll get a few of them. And this is the air filter. And the oil filter. Right there. So 3 things we need to buy. And this is the reality of running any business. You're going to face issues. So I always say that if you see someone that you think is moving ahead in life, you don't know what challenges they had to face to get to where they are. So never try and envy anybody, but rather do the best you can. Because imagine 7 days, no activity, no work, and you start to pay people. So this is reality. So today, I'm all in trying to get these parts so that we can fix the air compressor and start things working again. So yeah, we'll see you on the road. I'll keep you updated as time goes on.